Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're sampling the baby Mahindra, which is the KUV100 NXT. Now we have the K8 model and that's the top of the line model, so let's see how she drives. The car actually has quite decent kit with the radio, aircon, multifunctional steering wheel, start-stop, electric windows, parking sensors. I mean, it actually is really decent in here. It has everything you need for the daily drive in the city or if you're going for a long drive. Should I ever mention that you can get all of this for way less if you get a Suzuki Swift. I mean, it even has the same power plant. The 1.2 litre 3-cylinder G80M Falcon petrol unit that we have here pushes out 61 kilowatts and 150 newton meters of torque. Now this is mated with a 5-speed gearbox, and it actually has a micro hybrid system which turns the car off when you stop at a set of lights and turns it back on when you put the clutch in. Now with that said, this car is quite sluggish because of its weight, even though it has the same power as the Swift. But where it trumps the Swift is in the cornering because it has fatter tires. Now that's what I prefer. Tires on small cars like these are quite important when going around corners because of the Swift, I really experience quite a lot of tire squeal in the corners because the wheels are so small. This car honestly grips in the corners, which I really like. Stepping into the back of the Mahindra, you'll find that there's actually quite a lot of legroom and headroom, but you'll also find that there's quite a lot of stowage space in the car behind these seats and on the floor over here if you need it. But also, if you open this armrest, you'll find that there's 2 cup holders. Coming to the back, there's actually no button to open the boot over here, so you have to hold the key fob button until it opens, and when it does, you'll notice that there's actually not a big entrance to the boot. But Mahindra claim it can actually hold 243 litres of boot space with the seats up, but with the seats down, it can hold 473. Now that's really not that bad for such a small car. All in all, the car is actually pretty decent for the money, despite its lack of power and lack of equipment. But what more are you wanting in a car for 200,000 Rand, especially if it's a city car? Well, that's all from me guys from Dr. and Seb. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give us a like and subscribe. Thanks.